Welcome to the course C Programming. In today's lecture, we are going to see about the C operators. C, actually the language, a programming language that supports wide range of built-in operators. And we can say an operator that is used to manipulate a data and variables. Actually, they are a part of the mathematical or logical expressions. C operators are classified under these categories. The first one, it is the arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator, which is we will know symbols of arithmetic, plus for addition, minus for subtraction, and star for multiplication, and a slash will divide the numerator by denominator, and a percentage symbol, that is for modulo operation, increment and decrement operators. So these are some of the operators that were categorized under arithmetic. And relational operators. So relational operators, if we want to compare two categories depending upon some relation, to take a certain decision, we go for relational operators. Supposing we want to compare the age of two persons, and we have to say who is younger than who. So supposing we need to compare two prices of items. So in that cases, the relation operator will. So this is an example for arithmetic relational operators. So the relational operators, first they include studio.h, that is a header file, and int main. Here the return value, it is an integer, so I am defining it as int main. Supposing we are taking int a is equal to 5 and int b equal to 5, the first line printf statement that defines percentage of d is equal to percentage of d. So that means it will check whether a is equal to b or not. So in given problem, it is a, it is 5, and b, it is also 2. So a is equivalent to 5. It is not. So the value, it will be 0. And next condition, it will check whether a greater than b. Yes, 5 greater than 2, the condition is passed, so it is 1. So likewise it checks on. For third condition, percentage d not equal to percentage d, that is a not equal to b. Of course, yes, 5 is not equal to 2. The answer is 1. The same is the third condition also. So this is an example for arithmetic operator. As usual, a header file, main function. So I am having an integers a, b, c and d, and e, which is having a mathematical expression value. The first e, it is e is equal to a plus b into c divided by d. So here a plus b, a value it is 20 and b value it is 30, multiplied by c value, c it is 15 divided by 5. So overall the value of that particular equation is 90. So in same way, we can use these arithmetic operators in different ways. So this program explains the concept. Next one, it is the logical operators and bitwise operators. Logical operators, the first one, it is the logical and second one, it is logical or and logical not. Logical operators are used when we want to test more than one condition and make a decision. If you want to test whether A is equal to B and also B is equal to C, means both are same. So in that condition, if you want to check more than one condition, if you want to check, means we go for logical operators. And another one, it is the bitwise operators. These bitwise operators are bitwise and, bitwise or, bitwise XOR, left shift and right shift. This is for testing the bits and shifting them right and left. So these bitwise operators may not be applied to the data type of float and double. These bitwise operators will manipulate the data at the bit level. So only it is called as bitwise operators. the example for the logical operator. So as I said earlier, so here we are having an integer a is equal to 5, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 10. We are assigning with the result that is also an integer data type. So result, the first one result is equal to a equal to b and also c greater than b. So we have to check it out. So for first thing here, on executing the above program, the output will be a equal to b. Yes, 5 is equal to b and also c. The value it is 10. It is greater than 5. Yes, of course. A equal to b also the condition true. C greater than b condition also true. The AND operation will produce an output of 1 if and only if both the conditions are true. So here both the conditions are true. The output is 1. In the second one, if a is equal to b and c less than b, no, c is not less than b since c is 10 and b is 5. So one of the condition fails. Here it is an AND operator, so the output is 0. Likewise the OR operator, either one of the condition is 1 true, the output will be 1. So in the same way the program flows. Assignment operator. So assignment operator is a simple operator. We are assigning a is equal to b or a is equal to 5 or a equal to a plus b, a equal to a minus b. So we can say these operators are a shorthand operators. Next one, it is the conditional operator. The conditional operators, we can say it is an alternate form of if else. So the first expression, second expression and third expression, if the first expression passes, the value of the second expression will be equal to first expression. If the first expression fails, the value of the second, expression 3 will be passed on to the expression 1. And the special operators we are having size of operator and star. So the AND represents the address of a variable. We are using that address of operator in scanf while using scanf, and pointer variable, it is a different one to address a pointer variable. And size of operator, it returns the value of the or size of the variable. The variable may be an integer data type or whatever else. This is an example of special operators. So here an integer a, float, double c, character d or declared. So we are going to check what is the size of the integer, float, double, character. So on running the above program, the outputs will be shown as size of the integer equal to 4 bytes and float is 4 bytes, double is 8 bytes, character is 1 byte. And one more thing is that the size of an integer to store in a program in a computer may vary from one computer to another computer. Okay guys, thank you all for this today's lecture.